What you're looking at is the real difference between a before space and a fully planned home. This is one of our clients' homes, and nothing was technically wrong with the size. The issue was that the furniture, kitchen finishes, and lighting weren't planned properly. So this Scandinavian with a classic touch interior shows how the right design choices turn potential into a home that finally makes sense. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. If you have a living space like this, where the TV area looks heavy and dark, it doesn't feel comfortable to relax or gather. You can solve this kind of problem by creating one strong seating and entertainment zone, but still keeping it soft and clean. For the base finishes, the warm wood planks and clean ceiling are retained, but the wall color is updated to a soft, warm beige to create a lighter and more welcoming base. You can layer main wall with a textured patterned wall panel, adding visual interest and pattern. This frames the low-profile sofa in white fabric, layered with mixed throw pillows. The seating texture keeps the space light and relaxed, and the wide low profile helps ground the room. At the center, you can add nesting round wooden coffee tables, so movement stays easy and helps soften the strong lines in the room. Style it with a ceramic vase and small objects, making the table look lived in but not messy. Place a large neutral area rug to add warmth and absorb sound while anchoring the furniture into one clear zone. Bring in more soft accents, like a soft accent lounge chair and a circular fabric puff ottoman. By placing these closer to the coffee table, you complete the seating circle and improve conversation flow. On each side of the sofa, you can place a slim seaside table and a sculptural side table. By mixing these two side table types, you support daily use while keeping the design interesting. You can add decor here like minimal accent objects and collected pieces. For the windows and sliding door, you can use sheer curtains. This framing effect makes the windows feel taller. Lighting is layered to avoid a flat and harsh feel. A pleated floor lamp creates a cozy corner. It connects visually with the classic fabric shade table lamp, so the lighting feels balanced across the room. To bring brightness to the living area, a 6-bulb classic chandelier is installed, keeping the mood inviting. Now, the entertainment area becomes the main focal point. Consider a custom TV wall featuring a clean panel backdrop with molding detail. This framing gives the TV a clear place. Below it, a mounted TV console with closed storage hides cables and clutter, but the low height keeps the TV at a comfortable viewing level. On both sides of the TV, open shelving with integrated LED lighting is added. These shelves create symmetry while also giving you space to display collected objects without crowding the room. You're not just filling the room with furniture, but creating a space that supports how you relax, entertain, and live every day. You can achieve this for around $4,200 to $4,400, and similar items can be found in the product tags below. This is the dining area where the table placement feels temporary, with no proper lighting and no clear seating plan. You can improve the experience using the right furniture, lighting, and a clean bar counter to clearly define the area. For this zone, the flooring changes to light porcelain tiles, improving brightness. Then, for the wall, a textured wall finish with frame molding instantly gives your dining area a clear identity. The main piece is a rectangular dining table with a fluted base paired with curved, upholstered dining chairs with wooden legs. This setup makes long meals more comfortable while providing enough seating for hosting and daily dining. You then place a large, neutral dining rug to clearly define the dining zone. To soften the space and add warmth, you add a pleated floor lamp beside the dining table. Then, install a classic chandelier in a warm brass finish. whose soft light keeps the mood calm and welcoming. Continue the use of full-height sheer curtains for privacy and clean visual framing. Now, moving to the bar counter, a white quartz countertop keeps the space bright, clean, and easy to maintain, while a white vertical tile backsplash adds height and rhythm to the bar area. For storage, both the base and upper cabinets use a classic panel design in a light finish, adding timeless character. You have enough closed storage to avoid visual clutter and stay organized. To break the solid cabinetry, you add a wood accent shelf with integrated LED lighting. This provides space for small jars and bowls while highlighting the work surface. You can place small appliances on the counter and have a dedicated spot for your refrigerator for easy daily access. This dining and bar station defines through design, lighting, and material choices. The estimated total cost is around $2,050 to $2,250 for dining furniture, lighting, and layering accents. This kitchen area is already functional, but to connect it to the new Scandinavian with classic interior, you can change how it looks. Let's keep the existing kitchen layout with island counter and update the finishes, storage system, and lighting. For both the main and the island counter, keep the look consistent with the bar station, so a white quartz countertop is installed to keep the space bright, clean, and easy to maintain. Another consistent material is the classic cabinets in a light neutral finish for both the upper and base cabinets. These ground the kitchen visually while offering generous storage, so daily items can be hidden and the counter stays clean. For the main counter, you can use a vertical tile backsplash in a muted green tone. This adds character, and the soft tone keeps the kitchen calm. To highlight the kitchen items and cooking area, install integrated LED lighting running under the upper cabinets. Complete the island counter with a sink using thoughtful furniture and lighting. Bring in upholstered bar stools with wooden legs to keep the bar counter comfortable for daily use. You can use a set of scalloped edge dome pendant lights, which reflect light well, so the kitchen stays bright. To add character to the space, hang framed wall art with a slim picture light in a warm brass finish. This detail balances the styling elements on the wall. Your kitchen now feels bright, organized, and visually integrated. You're not just upgrading finishes, but creating a kitchen that works beautifully within an open-plan home. This shows that you don't always need major renovations. By solving layout, lighting, and material choices the right way, you can transform how your home looks and feels. From the seating and entertainment in the living area to the defined dining zone and the bright, functional kitchen, every detail works together. If your space feels similar, this is exactly how thoughtful design can turn everyday areas into a home that truly works for you. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.